Welcome back, guys, to another episode of me opening AliExpress 10 item $1.99 plus deal. Well, before I get straight into this, I have to tell you from my last video on this subject or this opening of AliExpress. The last previous video I had order 10 item package, and one of the items was missing and it was replaced by something else that I did not want. So I'll tell you the process of how I got refunded for it, and to show you, this is the package that it usually comes in. And now, before I covered my address and everything, my info on this, I take a picture of the of all the info that's on this package wrapped itself, and then file the report to in AliExpress, and then give them a reason for it. And I selected the reason that missing items or item wasn't described, and I have to include a photo of the package because the package itself contains their tracking number and barcode and everything. And then that was that. I got a refund for it, and I was still able to keep that item even though I didn't want it, you know, and still got a refund. So that's how it works simply. But let's get straight into this one. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh yeah, this right here looks like a canvas piece, a small canvas piece. But what it is a barbecue grill mat. It's basically it's resistant to fire and heat. Let me see if I can open it. It's about 18 inches square. There you go. Yeah, just a simple, maybe not 18 inches, maybe it's 12 inches. Yeah, it's 12 inches square. It's good for, a small stove, like a fuel stove or a wood stove, whatever stove that you want, but then that'll fit in this. But yeah, it's fire resistant. It's supposed to be. And I'll see how it works and put it to good use. But yeah, it's supposed to be flame retardant, everything. But it's just a simple barbecue mat or grill mat. So yeah, $1.99. I'll see how it works. I'll probably get a few more of this later. Next up is a fishing reel handle. I'm just building up my fishing reel set, rods and everything. But yeah, $1.99. Wow, this will fit. Yeah, I needed a spare reel handle, so, and then this is the size that I need it for. But yeah, $1.99 replacement reel handle. This is what's that? Yeah, foam, those thick foam ones or rubber. But Eva, I think, yeah, they call it Eva handles. But yeah, it's evil Eva material. So that's pretty cool. All right, $1.99. Next up is, yeah, this is it's a cargo net. I believe this is one that I messed up, the 18 by 18. This should be, yeah, 18 by 18, sort of a cargo net. But what I'm gonna do is, it's also, it uses bungee cord material, so stretches. I'm gonna actually use this for my kayak, for extra cover, of the netting area, to hold the cargo or to hold my crate, the stuff in my crate inside. So yeah, basically a cargo net, $1.99. Great. Sorry about that, guys. Phone just flipped down. But yeah, cargo net, $1.99, and yeah, it's metal attachment. It's not plastic. Right there. All right. Next up is, yeah, this is the strap. This is not a cargo strap, but this is like a hoisting strap, they call it. And it's supposed to be rated at 300 pounds. It comes in a pair. There you go. And this strap is actually good use for, you know, when you're going camping and you get, geez, what's that called? That banana thing that you sleep in, that you tie on to both ends of the tree. Wow, my brain just went dead. I'm brain dead right now, but yeah. So these straps are able to hold that up because it's 300 pounds rating each. So there you go, straps. And of course I could use it for other stuff, but I could actually put it on my kayak as a, you know, a gear. I could hold it up to hold the, you know, kayak onto the docker and stuff. But yeah, $1.99 for two. Next up is, yeah, this is a hat, covering hat, but this actually covers the back, and they call it a baseball hat too. Baseball shade hat. Let's see. No, I mean, it's like a regular. There you go. I guess this is the front and then the back. I don't know if you could see it. Yeah, there you go. It's full brim front, and then the back is just like a, I don't know, what do you call this? A shade cover in the back, bandana or something. I don't know. But yeah. You know, it's good for fishing or anything, or actually I may give it to my mom too, so she likes to cover up in the sun. But yeah, $1.99, simple shade hat. Next up is, this is an interesting electronic item. Let me see, there you go. What this is a mobile phone or Android phone, portable, what do you call it? The key switch. So you could do selfie, wireless. I believe it's Bluetooth or something. But yeah, you know, you could control your camera and everything from this. So it's like a wireless remote for your camera phone. So I'll test it out, see how it works. But yeah, it comes with the charger and everything, so it's wireless Bluetooth, and hey, that'll be great. All right, there. Next up is, yeah, this actually cost me $4.99. This is a folding stool or chair. Comes with a great carrying pouch, and see, this is how small it is, but it folds out into a chair. Let me see if I can. Wow, there you go. It just actually clicks into place by itself, and it's a, yeah, I can't show it, but yeah, it's a nice portable stool. Very lightweight. This thing is supposed to be able to hold I think 175 pound rating, at least the type that I got is 175 pound, which makes it all right. You know, for me, I'm at a little bit under 175 now, which is good considering that last September I was at 195. So now I'm at 175. So I lost, you know, 20 pounds. But yeah, this is actually for my daughter, because, you know, when I'm taking her out to amusement parks, and, you know, like for example Universal Studio, where the lines are ridiculous. For example, what is it, Jurassic Park, the ride. And, you know, for those that are familiar and been to Universal Studios Hollywood, and been waiting in line at Jurassic Park. Now this one I can carry it in my backpack, very light, and you know, when we're in line, I could give this to my daughter, and you know, when we're moving and stalling in line, hey, she has a place to, she has something to sit on instead of sitting on the curb or whatever, the ground. Yeah, so yeah, I'm thinking about her getting this for her. So, and looking at it now, I like it. I'm gonna order another one, and you know, and then maybe I'll order, you know, a few more for my nieces when I go out with them, or even my mom can, you know, utilize this. So yeah, I mean, she's 70 years old, and you know, she can't stand that long. So yeah, nice stool. I think it sits up about 8 inches, I believe, 8 to 9 inches. Yeah, so you know, it has a good height. But yeah, $4.99 for this. I'm gonna definitely get another one now that I see it. It, you know, looks sturdy and everything. They have other options of more weight capacity. Like I've seen the 300-pound one, but of course that's more. That's I've seen them over, you know, between $10 to $20. So, you know, that might be something else to consider. But this one right here is good for my daughter, my mom, and you know, little nieces and nephews. All right, yeah, $4.99. Folding portable chair. Let's see. I'll figure out how to take it apart and fold it back, but I don't want to do this in front of the camera and end up breaking it because I don't know how. All right, but yeah. Next up is another wall charger adapter. As you can see, multiple USB, so it could charge multiple devices at the same time, since it's 65-watt power. And you know, divide that into was it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus the Type C head charger, so 6. So divide that power, and then yeah, that gave you enough juice to charge up multiple devices on this. Next up is, this is the grip tape. I actually got this because I'm planning to use it on my kayak, because there's part of my kayak that is very slippery, you know, and then I may, you know, be able to stand up and or step on the kayak without slipping. So I'm gonna utilize this grip tape onto you know, the kayak floor or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, grip tape, utilize it. $1.99 for this is 5 meters, which is you know, 16, 17 feet, I think. So yeah, 5 meters. Next up, I yeah, do this more here. Okay. All right, yeah, these are corner table, desk, or whatever, you know, furniture. It's to, you know, help protect you from getting injured, or anyone else from getting injured on the sharp corners. We all know we hurt, you know, of course, you know, I can talk about my, like for example, coworkers. Yeah, they know what they run into, the sharp corner desk. But yeah, you just place this around the corners, and yeah, it's silicone or rubber or whatever, plastic. Yeah, soft silicone. And for my place, yeah, I got the desk and table, even the office desk, the table that I have right now, it has a sharp corner, so definitely put that, you know, any sharp corner tabletops or anything. But yeah, it comes in, I believe, 10. So yeah, I have plenty to cover up my sharp corner areas. But yeah, I believe that is it. Let me double check the bag. Always double check the bag to see any items loose or not. Okay. All right, guys. Let's double check our count and our items. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Am I missing something? Let's do another double check. Sorry, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we're set. We were, this just this tiny. There you go. Let me just make it nice, somewhat neat. Or I try to be neat, but all right, guys. Voila. All right, guys. Once again, thanks for joining me. Stay tuned for more next time. Peace.